Mars, a planet that has captured the human imagination for centuries. Though separated from Earth by vast stretches of space, Mars continues to intrigue scientists with its mysterious past and promise of future discoveries. Transition to mission context. With every new mission, we've come closer to answering one essential question. Did life ever exist on Mars? In 2020, NASA launched the Perseverance rover and its companion, the Ingenuity helicopter, to search for answers. Introduction to Perseverance's design. Perseverance is no ordinary rover. With a 1,025-kilogram body and 6 tough wheels, it's designed to survive the planet's harsh conditions and challenging terrains. Its mission? To hunt for signs of ancient microbial life, explore the Martian geology, and collect samples for potential return to Earth. Science instruments ***, equipped with sophisticated tools, Perseverance can analyze the surface in detail. From Sherlock's powerful laser that scans rocks for organic compounds, to PIXL's ability to reveal Martian soil at a microscopic level, Perseverance is packed with instruments designed to push the boundaries of Mars research. Focus on engineering ***, landing a rover the size of Perseverance and Mars was a feat of engineering. The team built and tested an improved Skycrane landing system to safely lower Perseverance into the Jezero crater, a site scientists believe once held water. Why Ingenuity? Ingenuity, a small 1.8-kilogram helicopter, joined the mission as a technology demonstration, a pioneering experiment to see if powered flight was even possible on Mars. With its thin atmosphere, Mars has only 1% of Earth's air density, making flight an extreme challenge. How it was built: Ingenuity's lightweight frame and large, counter-rotating blades were carefully designed to handle Mars' atmosphere. With only solar power to charge its battery, every ounce of its design was optimized for this extreme mission. Working together, unlike Perseverance, which has a range of scientific tools, Ingenuity is limited to cameras. It serves as Perseverance's scout, surveying areas ahead and helping the rover avoid hazards. The descent, 7 minutes of terror, ***, landing a rover on Mars is no simple task. The 11-minute delay between Earth and Mars means the landing had to be fully automated. Scientists call these crucial moments the 7 minutes of terror. Safe landing in Jezero crater. When Perseverance finally touched down, it was a triumph of engineering and precision. Soon after, the rover sent back its first images, a glimpse of Jezero crater, once an ancient lakebed, now home to humanity's latest explorer. Setting up for flight. Ingenuity's team had a strict time frame for its initial flights. After being deployed from Perseverance, the helicopter conducted its pre-flight checks, running tests to ensure it could operate in the cold Martian environment. Historical first flight. On April 19, 2021, Ingenuity rose 10 feet into the Martian sky, marking the first powered flight on another planet. This brief hover may have lasted just 39 seconds, but it was a groundbreaking moment, proving that flight on Mars was possible. Expanding missions. Initially planned for only 5 flights, Ingenuity's success led to an extended mission, allowing it to explore new areas, assist Perseverance in navigation, and test the limits of flight technology on Mars. Studying Martian rocks. With Ingenuity scouting ahead, Perseverance began its core mission, searching for evidence of past life. Its drills extracted samples from carefully selected rocks, each one sealed in titanium tubes for a potential future mission to retrieve. Discovering signs of an ancient river delta. In Jezero crater, Perseverance explored sediment deposits thought to be from an ancient river. Analyzing these deposits, scientists found signs that Mars may have had habitable environments billions of years ago. Learning about Mars' past. These rock samples could unlock secrets about Mars' climate and geological history, giving us clues about whether conditions once supported microbial life.